What is up, guys, and welcome to my 2024 tutorial on how to mod Lethal Company. You're going to want two things. First, you're going to want a copy of Lethal Company on Steam, like I have right here. And second is you're going to need an internet browser so that we can download the mod application that we're going to be using. So, you're going to open up, in my case, Edge, and you're going to search for Thunderstore. Now, in case that you don't have that search right there, I'm going to show you how to do it straight through Google. At the very top, you're going to find Thunderstore. If you're not sure if this is the correct one or if this does not show up, I'm also going to have a link down in the description for you guys to follow through here. So, you're going to click this, and you're going to click Get App. Now, here's something to note. Thunderstore is part of the application called Overwolf. So, you will need to download Overwolf in order to use Thunderstore. Here we go. So, download Overwolf and open Wolf installer. So, I've already done all this, so it's going to look slightly different for me than for you guys to do it. The only difference should be is that this is going to ask me if I want to update it because I have it already installed right here. For you, you should just be able to go straight through, keep all the settings at default. We're going to let this run through, and I'll be right back with you in a minute. Okay, now that Overwolf is done downloading, we're going to launch. In Overwolf, the way that you're going to find Thunderstore is by going to this mod section right here and clicking it. Now, I know that you probably want to click everything that's in here, but if you just click it, it should bring you to this page. As I said, I've already done all this, but it should look very similar for you. You're going to find the Thunderstore app, left-click it, and click Launch. You're going to come up to this game selection, and just so you know, this tutorial can apply to basically every game that's on here. There's a wide selection of games that you can do. In our case, we're doing Lethal Company. If you want it to start showing up at the very top, you can click this little star, and it will always be at the very top. I'm going to select the game and wait for it to open up. Now, if you're finding this tutorial helpful while we're waiting for this to load, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and who knows, I might even do another tutorial for something else. Just let me know down in the comment section. Okay, now that has finished, we're going to create a new profile, and we're going to be doing the mods, the Skinwalker, and we're going to do the More Company mod. So it's going to be more, this doesn't really matter, but I'm going to do More Peeps That Talk. As I said, the name that you put doesn't really matter. This is just the name that I'm using. Select the profile, and we are at this page. The way that you can find the mods that you want to add is by clicking Get Mods. In my case, I'm doing the Skinwalker mod. And the one I'm looking for is right here. And I'm going to download it. Now, some of these apps, they do have a bunch of other apps that come with them. And the great thing about Thunderstore is you don't have to worry about doing each one, as it's going to automatically download everything that it's dependent on. At least most of the time, and automatically download this and Skinwalkers. And let's say that I want to add another mod, More Company, right here, and I'm going to download that as well. And we have all of these right here. Now you may be wondering, okay, so I've done it for myself, and I have about 50 different mods that I'm playing with. How do I get it to my friends? Well, Thunderstore is awesome for that reason as well. You can click this share button, and this code, if you give to your friends, they can just download every mod that you have. So instead of you having to tell them, oh, you need this mod, buy this one, this one, this, and this one, you can just share them this link. So this is how you add it. So back on this page, you're going to click Import and Update. You're going to click Import New Profile from Code. Paste that code in there, and you're going to import it. Now, in my case, I've already made one that has that same name, and I can do that. We're going to talk about one more thing. Let's say, and this happened a few times with me trying to do it. Hey, I want to add another mod. I'm going to add the More Suits mod. The Less Suits mod, okay. The Too Many Suits mod. Now we've got a problem because I added something and my friends don't have the same. If you click Share again, share them the code, and you do Import Update, instead of clicking Import New Profile, you can do Update Existing Profile from Code. You're going to paste it in there, click Import, and then select the one that you want to overwrite. In my case, it's going to be the More Peeps That Talk one, Update Profile. And it automatically added the mod that I wanted it to add, right here. When you're ready to play, you can come up here to the top right and click Play Modded. If you click vanilla, you'll play Lethal Company without any mods, but if you click modded, it'll bring you straight into Lethal Company with every mod that you've put on there. I hope this tutorial was very helpful to you, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and have fun gathering scrap for the company.